Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 17 of Trading to a Million by JPS Trading. We're sitting at the 18th of September. This is a Friday. We have got a position to go long here. If you guys, you've probably heard me talk about in my last few videos that this third week of September has gotten a little bit angsty, and probably if when you're watching this, you're probably watching this the week after, and you're probably thinking to yourself in hindsight, why the hell, Jacob, are you going long? But I did have a signal to go long here, which obviously, as you can see here, it seemed to move into my favor reasonably well. I do have another buy order a little bit lower that I didn't actually get filled, unfortunately. I actually got filled a little bit late, so this is close to about 9 a.m. unfortunately. So obviously, back in hindsight, would have been great to get in, right under that 5,900 level mark. But obviously that is not the case. But I could almost feel it was getting away from me. So I definitely had to get some exposure. So I just got a small allocation in, and I've got a little buy order sitting there that if it does get picked up, then great. Obviously working there. So just getting to about 9 a.m. now, which obviously nothing's generally opening, but it definitely seems like the moves start to happen. So I've actually just decided to increase, obviously, off that bearish candle, as I was just expecting it, a bit of market manipulation potentially. Obviously, you'll see in the video if that's the case. So we did average down our price a little bit there, which is fine. I was looking at the US futures, and they were moving quite strong. You probably heard me talk about in my previous video that if we do get a move early morning above about 0.2% or even 0.15%, it is a good indication that the futures are on trend. Obviously, you got to hope that this transitions into the domestic futures as well, which I was pretty confident that it would. Obviously, from the lead that we had from Wall Street the night before, I was thinking we're going to have a pretty optimistic open. So obviously, we're sitting in a bit of profit here right at this moment. Obviously, if it continues to go in this way, we're in some pretty good shape, which is fine. So just after about 9 a.m. there, I'm glad to see that there was a big reversal off that bearish candle. But what I don't want to see here is obviously another retest of that, or even a reversal down to those levels and then a break through those levels. If that happens, there's definitely quite a bit of potential that we could be moving into a different trend. But yeah, look, I didn't just specify in the last video, but let me know what you guys are thinking in the comment section. Obviously, like and subscribe as well if you're enjoying it. Really excited to have you along for the journey. But getting pretty close to about 9:30 now, and look, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Obviously, other than this red candle that's coming out of nowhere, but I'm feeling reasonably well. Obviously, you always generally feel a little bit better when you're in the blue or the green. But yeah, it still seems like things are okay. It's holding its ground. So I'm looking for a place to potentially get another order in to get my final allocation. So what I've done there, actually, I believe that was actually a sell order there that I put in from memory. Sorry, I am doing this after the trade obviously occurred. But yeah, so I've got a feeling that that was potentially a first level of TP, or I might have made a mistake there potentially because, oh yes, no, I have. Sorry there, 5,900. I've put a level there. If it breaks that, then it's time to get out. So I just used the previous lows, obviously, of that retest at about 8:30, which you can obviously see there. I just got taken out, so down about $86, which is unfortunate, but obviously you take the ones that you win, take the ones that you lose as well in terms of that. So yeah, obviously it wasn't the greatest to end the Friday or end the week on a small loss. I believe for the week I did end up in the negative. I think I was only down about $30 or so, roughly thereabouts. Obviously had a big win earlier on the week, which you guys would have seen. Which definitely carried me along for the week. But look, let me know what you guys are thinking of the video as well. I'll just let this play out. Obviously, you can see that whether or not this is the right decision. Obviously, if you're coming in next week, and obviously when you guys watch this, you'll probably see that the market's done some pretty crazy stuff. But yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next video. Let's talk then.